In this tutorial I will show you how to make slider menu animation in Figma. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Make a frame. Change its background color. Add some radius. Now add some text. Make sure the font will be 18 pixel. Now duplicate the text and change it. The shortcut key is Ctrl+D. Now add some icons. You can also export icon by using plugin Iconify. Make a rectangle and send it to back from text. Change its background color. Makes its opacity 17%. Add white stroke and makes its opacity 33%. Select all frame and then makes its component. Duplicate it. Now it become component set. Now duplicate up to 5. Select rectangle and hold the arrow key downward. Now do the same with others also. Let's prototype them. Select home text with icon. Now click matching masking layer. This will select all the matching layer related to home. Deselect the home text with background by holding Shift, then click on it. Now prototype it. Choose on click, then animation will be Smart Animate. Select curve, gentle, so that it will be smooth animation and duration will be 800 milliseconds. Now do same with all the other also. Let's make a open and close slide menu button. Make a line. Turn its stroke to 3. Duplicate it. Convert them into frame. Duplicate the frame. Select both frame, make its component set. Select the frame. Now make its component. Duplicate the frame. Now it become component set. Make sure they are all in center. Now prototype them. Choose on click, then animation will be Smart Animate. Select Curve, Gentle, so that it will be smooth animation and duration will be 800 milliseconds. Now make its components set. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon for new videos.